Hi everyone, we had a query this week coming from a client wanting to know the performance of the US markets during the US election year. So there's a couple of ways we can do that in Optuma. The first is a seasonality chart where you can, so this is the SPX, you can change the comparison style from seasonality to compare years, and you can then type in the years that you want to compare. So I'd manually typed in starting from 1996 every 4 years to 2020, and you can see this is the annual performance. And there's another way we can do it using an historical comparison chart. So that's under new multi-code chart historical comparison. But for this example, we don't want to, the multi-code is SPX multiple times. So I'm going to just do the last 5 election years. So that's once, twice, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to open. Now it just appears as one line at the moment because as you can see on the right hand side they're all starting on the same date. But what I'm going to do is click on the date of the top one, then the little calendar icon, then where it says June 2019 I'm going to click twice, and that's going to take me back to the decade, and I want to start in 2004. So January the 1st 2004. Now you'll see that it's starting that green line on that date going to the current day. We don't really want that. We only want to look at the year. So I'm going to click on the green line, change the trim style to fixed length, and it's automatically set to 1 year. So now the the green line is the 2004 performance for the SPX, and now I just have to change the others to those US election years. Okay, so those dates have been changed for the election years. So now what I can do is change the label or the label size. We can make them a bit bigger, and also here's 2020, so we can change the color. Let's make that one red and thicker, and then change the top one to orange, something like that. So you can see how it compares to the last 5 US election years. Another quick example of historical comparison, which we often get asked for, it's comparing the current year to the crash in 1929. So here is the red line again is this year, starting on the 12th of February from the high and of the Dow Jones, and the blue line is beginning 3rd of September 1929 for the 1929 crash. Now that's only 6 months out, so we can change the fixed length. Let's make that 3 years, and you can see that the from 1929 it kept going for the next 3 years. So before it started to recover. Hope that's been helpful. Any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.